Hello everyone! Today I'm doing something a little different. It's an unboxing, but something unusual for me. It's a box that comes all the way from Japan. Somebody from Yume Twins contacted me to see if I wanted to try out one of their subscription boxes, and I said of course. And they sent me a Yume Twins box, and it's full of Japanese kawaii goodness. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. So I believe it's the July box. Yes, it is. And it comes with a little flyer. The theme is pool party. I guess it looks more like a catalog. Little zine for the month. And with this, we have a Sailor Moon canister. Let's put the box out of the way and see what's in there. Oh, that's really cool. You put all your little goodies, either candies or jewelry. That's really cute. So it's not a box that I would get for myself, but I know a lot of people who like these things, and I would definitely send it to somebody that I know for either birthday, get them a subscription for either a month or 6 or a whole year. Look at this hand fan. That's so cool. No batteries needed. For fans of Hello Kitties and her friends. This, I believe, is a beach ball. It's Kirby, the little character. I'm not gonna open it. Oh wait. Oh, I think it's one of those that has a little rubber string there, and then you put it around your finger and you just go boom, 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 boom. What else do we have? Oh, a little charm. With a little strawberry charm too. And that's, I'm guessing that's the name of the character. Sorry, I'm not familiar with all of the characters, but this is Rilakuma. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, sorry. But it's really adorable. Even has a, was that a, no, it's not a ring. No, it's two attached. So there's there really is 2 little charms in it. Then, oh my gosh, this is really cute. It says Kori Lakuma meets Kawaii Koguma. My goodness, I gotta brush up on my Japanese. Not that I know any of it. But it's an adorable purse. Oh, look at this. And you can attach the charm to it. See? Perfect. Oh, it is so cute. And finally, we have some stickers right here. I think they're Post-its. Oh, with the Gudetama thing, the little egg yolk. Hee. So cute. So in July, this is what there is in the Yume Twins box, and as you can see, it's full of kawaii goodness from Japan. I believe the company also has other boxes with snacks from Japan and makeup from Japan also. It costs $35 a month if you go on a month-to-month basis, and it's free shipping all over the world, so that's pretty cool. And I must say that I was impressed. I think it took about a week for it to arrive, so it's not so bad. If you subscribe for 3 months, it's only $33.50 per month. 6 months will be $32 per month, and 12 months will be $31.50 per month. So like I said, it would make a super awesome present. I know somebody who's gonna steal some of these, who lives in my house. She's already warned me that she would, but if I don't show her anything, maybe she won't. So I'm going to put a link down below in the description box so that you can check out their website if you're interested, and subscribe if you want to. Thank you all for watching, and I think I'm going to enjoy this all summer long. Oh, that's really cool. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.